Most people spend years doing things they don't love, but what if you could make money doing what excites you? Step 1. Find something you love and are good at. Photography, writing, fitness, gaming. There's a market for almost anything. Step 2. Find a way to make money from it. Sell photos on Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Write on Medium or offer services on Fiverr. Teach what you know with an online course on Udemy or Teachable. Step 3. Build an audience. Social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram help you reach people who care about what you do. The bigger your audience, the more money-making opportunities you unlock. You don't need a big budget, just start. The internet gives you unlimited opportunities, but only if you take action. So will you keep waiting, or will you start building your dream today? Think about it. What's one thing you can start today that could bring in income tomorrow? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're working on and how you're turning your passion into profit.